Big news for everyone who is waiting for Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 update. Today I am going to share you the complete document verification experience step by step, so you will know what exactly happens and what to prepare and how to avoid the mistakes. And this video going to save you from last minute panic and help you clear your verification without any issues. And trust me, there are few things that Infosys doesn't clearly mention in the mail that I will reveal in this video. So stay till the end of this video because this is super important for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond BTech. This is Sai. I am on a mission to bring you high value, life changing career content for all the engineering students across India. And today I am going to share you the complete document verification experience. If you are new here, I have been covering the every single update from Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 about the selection mails, bank details, and complete document verification process. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell icon. You never miss any update from me. First, let's talk about the mail details. The mail comes with the verification date and slots, and slots can be different for each candidate. Don't copy your friend's timing, and the Webex link is provided in the same mail, and you will get 2 slots. You have to join the first session and second session. So many of you are asking that whether we have to select any slot or we have to join in both the sessions. Firstly, you have to join in the first session. If you have completed the document verification in the first session itself, you not join in the second session. So if you have not completed the document verification in the first session, then you can join the second session. That slot you can verify your documents, and you will join a Webex link from your mail. A host will greet you and give you instructions. They will take students in small groups into breakout rooms, and now I will tell you what the documents are required. Firstly, one government ID card proof such as Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or even passport, and you should have to show your college ID card. So make sure you have these two things, and sometimes they may be ask you to share your document by sharing the screen. So keep a scanned copy with you. So if they ask you to share your screen, then you can easily share by directly showing the documents. And test your microphone and camera before the session, and keep your internet stable. Use a laptop or PC for better experience, and join 5 to 10 minutes before your slot time. They might ask you your full name and course and batch. They confirm if your course completion and certificate matches the record. And here's something super important for you. Check out my channel Beyond BTech, where I have uploaded some of the biggest internship from top companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. And I have also uploaded latest hackathons and job roles for 2025 and 2026 passouts. And if you don't want to miss these opportunities, go and check out my channel. Scroll through the homepage, you might see lots of opportunities there. So go through every video, apply to the every opportunity you eligible. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Beyond BTech so you never miss any update from me. Until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sai signing off.